Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're revealing the top 20 genius new woodworking tools for a 65-year-old carpenter. From smart measuring gadgets to time-saving workshop innovations, these tools make woodworking easier, safer, and more enjoyable than ever. Whether you're a seasoned pro or passionate DIY builder, these amazing tools will upgrade your projects and transform your workshop experience. Cortex Fascia. The FastenMaster. Cortex Fascia. Hidden fastening system delivers a clean, professional finish for composite and PVC fascia boards without visible screws. Designed to handle board expansion and contraction, it uses counterboard torque screws and perfectly matched plugs for a seamless appearance. Each kit includes screws, plugs, drill bits, and setting tools for easy installation. Ideal for deck builders and remodelers, the Cortex system improves durability while creating a smooth, polished deck perimeter that looks modern, secure, and expertly crafted for long-lasting outdoor performance. XT1 Feed Supports. The BOW products. XT1 feed supports are smart woodworking accessories designed to increase tabletop support on compact machines. Built exclusively for the XT Tender fence system, they improve stability, feed control, and material handling during cuts. Their beveled edges help boards glide smoothly without snagging, while adjustable positioning supports both in-feed and out-feed operations. Heavy-duty cavities allow added wooden legs for long stock support, making these feed supports ideal for portable table saws, band saws, router tables, and cabinet saw setups. Shelf Pin Jig. The Kreg Shelf Pin Jig is a must-have tool for cabinet makers and woodworking enthusiasts who need perfectly straight and evenly spaced shelf pin holes. Designed with hardened steel drill guides, it prevents bit wandering and reduces tear-out for clean professional results every time. The jig follows the 32mm cabinet system standard and works for both new cabinet construction and furniture upgrades. With easy indexing pins and adjustable setback options, it delivers fast, accurate drilling for shelves, hinges, drawer slides, and custom cabinetry projects with impressive precision. Lock Mortiser. The Virutex FC116. U-Lock Mortiser is a powerful industrial-grade woodworking tool built for fast and precise lock installations on wooden doors. Its 1,100-watt motor delivers clean cuts at 23,000 revolutions per minute, while the self-centering clamp system allows accurate mortising directly on hung doors. With adjustable depth settings up to 5 inches, repeatable height guides, and protective rubber pads, it saves time and reduces manual labor. Perfect for professional carpenters, installers, and workshop experts handling commercial or residential door hardware projects. Router Guide Rail Adapter System. The Powertec Router Guide Rail Adapter System is a smart woodworking solution that transforms your plunge router into a precision track-guided cutting machine. Designed for perfectly straight dados, grooves, fluting, and sliding dovetails, it works with Powertec, Makita, and Festool guide rails. The system includes adjustable support feet, steel rods, and fine-tuning screws for smooth, wobble-free routing. Its universal rod setup fits select Makita, DeWalt, and Ryobi routers, making it ideal for accurate, repeatable woodworking cuts in any professional or DIY workshop. Jigsaw tool. The Enventor 20-volt cordless jigsaw is a versatile DIY cutting tool built for smooth curves, straight cuts, and angled bevels in wood, plastic, and soft metals. Powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, It delivers up to 2,700 SPM, with variable speed control for precision and fast performance. Features like 4-position orbital action, tool-free T-shank blade changes, LED work light, and dust blower improve accuracy and convenience. Its lightweight cordless design makes it ideal for home workshops, repairs, and portable woodworking projects. Precision Miter Trimmer. The Infinity Cutting Tools. Precision Miter Trimmer is a heavy-duty woodworking tool designed for creating flawless, ultra-smooth miter joints with incredible accuracy. Its solid cast-iron body, razor-sharp high-carbon steel blades, and rack and pinion drive system provide smooth, controlled trimming power. Ideal for picture frames, trim work, and fine joinery, it removes paper-thin shavings for perfect glue-ready edges without sanding. Adjustable fences with precise 45-degree and 90-degree stops make setup quick, accurate, and reliable for professional quality woodworking results every time. Genmitsu CNC Router. The SainSmart Genmitsu CNC Router is a powerful desktop carving machine built for makers, hobbyists, and woodworking enthusiasts. Using open-source GRBL software, it can engrave, carve, and mill wood, acrylic, plastics, and even soft metals with impressive precision. Popular models range from beginner-friendly 3018 machines to heavy-duty 4040 PRO systems with upgraded frames and guide rails. Features like offline controllers, limit switches, laser compatibility, and CADI/CAM software support make Genmitsu routers excellent for custom signs, 3D carvings, PCB work, and creative workshop projects.
Infinity Tools, Magswitch, Universal Featherboard. The Infinity Tools, Magswitch. Universal Featherboard Pro is a precision-engineered magnetic featherboard designed to enhance safety, accuracy, and efficiency in woodworking. Featuring 2 powerful rare earth magnets with a breakaway force of 126 pounds, it provides a firm, adjustable hold on any ferrous surface. No miter slot required. The dual-sided design allows both left and right-handed use, while micro-adjustable bump stops ensure repeatable precision. Ideal for table saws, band saws, and router tables, it offers superior control, reduces kickback, and improves cut consistency, making it a must-have tool for serious woodworkers. Stanley FM-HT 1 Folding Workbench. The Stanley FM-HT 81528-1 Folding Workbench is a practical, wall-mounted solution for small workshops, garages, and sheds where space efficiency is essential. Built with a durable laminated MDF surface, it provides a solid and reliable workspace that supports up to 100 kilograms. The integrated pegboard offers organized tool storage with 10 hooks and a parts tray. When not in use, the bench folds flat against the wall and locks securely in place, ensuring safety and convenience. Designed for quick installation and everyday functionality, this compact foldable workbench delivers Stanley's signature reliability in a space-saving, versatile design, ideal for modern DI years. Woodpeckers Micro Square. The Woodpeckers Micro Square is a compact precision tool crafted for detailed woodworking and tight joinery layouts. Manufactured in Strongsville, Ohio, this pocket-sized square comes in 2 types, combination and double square, each featuring 2 interchangeable stainless steel blades. The 1/2 inch blade is ideal for general layout work, while the 1/4 inch skinny blade fits into tight spaces like dovetail sockets. with precision machined stainless steel construction, a brass clamping knob, and a lifetime accuracy guarantee. The Micro Square delivers exceptional reliability, portability, and accuracy for professionals and hobbyists alike. Gorilla Waterproof Wood Glue. Gorilla Waterproof Wood Glue is engineered for strength, versatility, and durability in both indoor and outdoor woodworking. The Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue Type 1 offers 100% waterproof protection that meets the ANSI/HPVA Type Y standard, making it ideal for outdoor furniture and high moisture projects. It provides a long open time for precise alignment and dries to a natural tan finish. The Type 2 version is water resistant, easy to use, and perfect for general woodworking tasks. Both formulas deliver strong, sandable, and paintable bonds, while cleaning up easily with water, ensuring professional results every time. Trend Single Pocket Hole Jig. The Trend Single Pocket Hole Jig, PH/JIG/BS, is a compact, durable, and easy to use jig designed for creating strong single pocket hole joints quickly and accurately. Perfect for small projects, repairs, and tight workspaces, it combines portability with precision. Constructed from glass reinforced nylon, it offers strength without added weight. Key features include a hardened steel drill guide, adjustable depth settings for various material thicknesses, built-in gauges, wood chip relief, and a versatile end stop. The kit also includes essential accessories like an HSS drill bit, collar, square drive bit, and screws. Everything you need for efficient pocket hole joinery. Milescraft SANDIT. The Milescraft Sandit, Model 1622, is a compact and innovative multi-surface hand sanding block designed for versatility and control. Featuring 4 unique profiles, flat, concave, convex, and tight corner edges, it allows you to sand virtually any shape or surface with a single tool. Its patented snap lock system makes changing sandpaper quick and effortless using standard quarter sheets. Lightweight and ergonomic, the Sandit fits comfortably in your hand, making it perfect for detailed finishing, small projects, and tight spaces. An essential upgrade for any woodworker's toolkit. Goingmake Zero 24 track saw. The Goingmake Zero 24 track saw is a high-precision parallel guide system designed to upgrade compatible track saws, not a standalone saw. It features micro-adjustable flip stops for repeatable cuts with up to 0.001 inch accuracy to 53-inch cut capacity, and an easy zero calibration knob. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it includes dual imperial and metric scales, and works with popular brands like Festool, Makita, and Milwaukee. Milescraft 1343 Shelf Jig. The Milescraft 1343 Shelf Jig is a practical solution for drilling perfectly aligned shelf pin holes in cabinets and built-ins. It supports both 1/4 inch and 5mm pins with standard 32mm spacing for wide compatibility. A clear polycarbonate body improves accuracy, while repositionable fences offer flexible setbacks. Indexing pins ensure straight, continuous rows, and the included depth stop delivers consistent 10mm holes every time. A UXTUR cabinet. Jig. The Auxtur cabinet jig is a precision, adjustable template designed to simplify cabinet handle and pull installation. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it features laser engraved metric and imperial scales for accurate, repeatable drilling. Adjustable spacing and vertical positioning accommodate common hardware sizes, while included PVC spacers enhance stability on recessed fronts. Compact, foldable, and easy to set up, this jig saves time and ensures professional results for both DIY users and cabinet installers. Aonllen LENDJ 710 dowel jointer. The Aonllen LENDJ 71 0 dual spindle dowel jointer is a powerful woodworking tool built for fast, accurate and repeatable dowel joints in furniture and cabinetry projects. Its dual spindle system drills 2 perfectly aligned holes with standard 32mm spacing, while the 710-watt high-speed motor delivers smooth performance in hardwoods. Adjustable depth, height and angle settings ensure precise joints, and the all-metal construction provides long-lasting durability. Ketiped Dowel Maker Jig. The Ketiped Dowel Maker Jig is a practical woodworking accessory that allows you to create smooth, custom-sized wooden dowels from square stock using a drill or lathe. Built from durable anodized aluminum, it features 8 precision CNC machine diameter options and a long-lasting indexable carbide blade with 4 cutting edges. Its simple adjustment system ensures quick setup, while the compact lightweight design makes it ideal for furniture making, repairs, and DIY woodworking projects. Galaxia Mini Circular Saw. The Galaxia Mini Circular Saw is a compact, versatile cutting tool ideal for precise DIY and home projects. Available in corded and 20-volt cordless versions, it easily cuts wood, plastic and soft metals. With a 4.5-inch blade, up to 1 11/16 inch cutting depth, laser guide and rip fence, it ensures accuracy. Safety lock, ergonomic grip, bevel adjustment and dust adapter make it efficient, safe and comfortable to use.